And another one. What's up people, Manor here, coming to you with a video. This time we're going to be unboxing and reviewing an everyday use and personal travel accessory that is great for daily use, and it's meant for guys and also can be used for traveling, that being a contour detect technology 5D touch shaver. It's a washable shaver. It has a pressure switch, breathable lamp, works wet or dry, large capacity battery. This is the product UPC code. Let's start the unboxing experience. We have the box, the cover, the shave head assembly thing, the razor head, and looks like it can be opened from the side for cleaning purposes, like so. These are the blade. This is the mechanism. Oh wow, it does come with another attachment, which is a very soft brush with perforated covers so it can dry. It's very soft to touch, really nice. It can be used, I think, to clean your skin. The cover for the shave guard. We also have a nose hair trimmer, pretty standard operation. A sideburn trimmer. Looks like it does come off. That way you can adjust you can do your sideburns, and then to get a closer clean shave you can use that. So you can use that for edging. A USB cable, a cleaning adapter, and alright, the operation instruction is right there. That is the model number Bravo Sierra 8008. These are the various directions, and you can complete a shave with just 3 minutes of fast charge when the power is lacking, so it doesn't take too long. And this is the assembly instruction, and at that price point of under $30 you cannot go wrong. You're not only getting a nose hair trimmer, a sideburn cleaner, a soft brush to clean your face, you're also getting a really good shaver. Let's take a look at the front of the display. I think there's a small plastic to it. This is what you guys and girls came in for. Oh yeah, so soft. Simple power on, then power on one more time, turn it off, and to connect the shave head, just there's a small groove that goes right here, and it just drops straight in, just like that. Let's power it on. Okay, yeah, it will get the job done. Okay, let's close that. To change it, just simply pick it up. Now for the nose hair trimmer, similar assembly instruction. There is a groove right here that corresponds to this notch. Just plug it in, and very quiet operation, as you can hear. Now the attachment for the side trimmer, same thing, plug it in, take that off, and you can shave. Now for the face buffer, similar setup, plug it in, plug the buffer right in, and there you go, and that's it, you're done. Again, in my personal opinion, at this price point you cannot beat the experience that you're getting and the package you're getting. A big thumbs up for me. Definitely I do plan to use this on a daily basis. A really good purchase for sure. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys and gals on the next video. Later people, bye.